everybody. Sorry it's been a while. I've just been really busy at work. So today I'm just going to be going over with you how to potentially recover your save data for your 3DS. Um, if by chance, let's say you had upgraded to a new SD card and maybe you didn't move over your save data, or didn't have the ability to transfer over your save data because you didn't have a micro SD adapter, um, what you can do if, say, you've already started playing other games or potentially you want to use a friend's save data, what you can do is if you just get your 3DS folder. So this is the folder for the new 3DS, or for my new SD card that I had, or that I have, and the old folder is the old 3DS folder. Now, when I had gotten that, I had gotten the SD card shortly before a plane trip so I could get the new Pokemon. So it was pretty much just get the new SD card, put the new SD card in, and then download Pokemon and play that. Then you come into the problem of you won't be able to keep your Pokemon save data if you just copy the 3DS folder over to the new SD card. So, in order to keep your save data, or keep your games, or your save data from both SD cards, what you can do is this. Also, if you have if you have had a data transfer performed, this is also something that may be able to save you as well. Definitely, first thing you should try to do is when you have your, make your backup of your old 3DS folder. If, say, you've just had a data transfer performed, try just copying your 3DS folder from your old SD card to your new one. If that does not work, then go ahead and follow this method. So what you'll do is, I have two windows open, so in this window is going to be I'm going to open up the old 3DS folder, and in this one I'm going to open up the new 3DS folder. We're going to go ahead and enter this folder with the fun little numbers. This one's, I don't know, it's right, okay. Then we get into this folder. Notice these folders are completely different folders. So if you just merge the folders, they won't merge the best. Always, before you move anything, make a backup of this folder on your computer. Make sure the Nintendo 3DS folder is backed up somewhere on your computer, so in case anything goes wrong, you always have the backup. But yes, so we'll go into this folder, and we'll go into this folder. Notice this brings us to the same screen. Where I found the save data, it's in the title folder. So we go into the title folder of each one. Now you need to figure out which of these folders your game is located in, or your games are located in. So to find this out, I just right-click Properties and found the largest one. So in my case, it's this one that's 0004000. And notice I downloaded all of the games again on my new system, just because when I first had it open, the only thing in this folder was this one, which just so happens to be Pokemon. So in order to figure out where your games need to go, you may need to re-download them again, but in this case, they should have the same labels. If you end up with the games do not have the same labels, and all of the same games are installed, you may need to play around with it until you find the one that works. So in my case, you just open this folder, and then the exact same folder on your new 3DS card. And once you're here, it'll be under the data folder, and you're looking for the .sav file. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take the save file from your old 3DS SD card, and then just move it. We're just going to, just so we don't mess anything up, we're just going to copy, and we're going to go over here, and we're going to paste. And when it asks to replace, go ahead and replace the file. And once you've replaced the file, the save data is now there, and you shouldn't have any issues accessing it. In cases of multiple saves, I believe the number changes, but you'll have multiple save files. If you want to say if you say want to continue with your buddy's progress, and he has 2 save files, just change the name of it to the empty save file slot. So it may take some experimentation, I would save the game first in the second slot, and see exactly how it shows on the system itself, or on the actual SD card itself. Because if you have, or if it says 00000002, then you'll just want to change it to 00000002. That way you can use save slot 2 for your buddy's game and save slot 1 for the first game. I hope that was helpful for any of you. If you would like to see any 3DS tutorials, let me know. Thank you for watching, and you all have a great rest of your day.